Yeah, it looks like Ortega. So this is Ortega highway right now. That's what I get from not having a phone mount. So this is all the way heading up to Ortega highway. Right now I'm geared up. So I have riding pants. I have a jacket I just bought. So I'm a little bit more armored, I guess. I don't have boots. I just have shoes. So this is the start of Ortega right here. In total I've been like 4 times or 3. It's a dangerous road, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's easy to crash. So the goal today is not to crash. I'm gonna put traction control if I can. I'm gonna set it up to. Last time I came in up here, I had the setting on 5. My plan is to have it on because technology is a tool, so you gotta use it. Fucking hell, that's the best turn. I need to redo that turn. That turn is the best. It's like a left and a right. Let me check my temperature tires and check that everything is alright. Let me see. Yeah, these are warm tires. You can see like it's tearing apart. These are warm tires. These are everything is alright. Let me retake that turn. So yeah, I don't feel the traction control getting in the way, so there's no need to turn it off. Fucking hell. God damn, that turn is amazing. And to take a leak. That turn is so good that I'm pissing myself. The cars coming up is definitely distracting me, and it's a dangerous fucking turn too, because like if I go down, I'm gonna go straight to a car. I'm not gonna lie, it's super fucking dangerous what I'm doing. but that turn is so good that I'm just gonna hit it once more. I think 5th gear is the best on this turn because it's smoother on the engine. Yeah, that's just the thing, is traffic. But it is what it is, you know, with public roads. I might go once more, just the last time. That corner is super dangerous. It's super. Yeah, that corner is super dangerous. So I'm pushing it a lot. Let's do it once more. I'm already here, so might as well. Okay. So yeah, if you go to Ortega, I think this is the only turn that is worth taking. All the other ones are not that good. This guy's going hard. It's leaning a lot in the corners. It's not bad. I do not recommend this road. I do not recommend it, not even one bit. It's good turns, but you need to know what you're doing or you're gonna end up in the ground. It's just too dangerous. Hazard like this. Honestly, I'm gonna go in the other way, over here. See? This is why it's so dangerous here. That water wasn't there when I came up here. Ah, god damn. Thank you. I feel so sore. I feel destroyed. I'm starving. And I'm sore. Yeah, I just needed some fuel for the bike and for me. A Red Bull. I just want to go home. So, you know, I have to edit this shit. Okay, I'll call it a day.